Hello students, today I am going to explain few sums that are written here. Question number 1, find mean and median frequency distribution. Next given frequency given, you have to find out mean and median. Second question, the 8 term upon AP is 31 and 15 term is 16 more than 11 term. Find the first 3 terms. Find the first 3 terms. Question number 3. Solve the inequation minus 2 plus 10x less than equal to 13x plus 10 less than 24 plus 10. This is inequation question. Question number 4. If x minus 2 is a factor of 2x cube minus x square minus 3x minus 2, then find the value of p. Also find the other factor. Question number 5. Banking the sum. Money deposited per month giving rupees 800. Maturity value giving rupees 15,084. And time given 1 year, 1.5 years, that's 1 year, 6 months. You have to find out the rate percent per annum. Okay, let us solve one by one. Let's see question number 1, how to solve. For this you have to find out frequency table. Let's exercise करो. Next frequency करो. Then you have to find out cumulative frequency. After that you have to find out Fi into Xi. Xi given 1, frequency given 4. That means right first 1, then 2, 5, 3, 8. 4, 1, 5, 2. Cumulative frequency will be 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. 18 plus 2, that is 20. That is the total frequency will be 20 total. After that, you have to write Fi into Xi. 1 into 4, 4. 2 into 5, 10. 3 into 8, 24. 4 into 1, 4. 5 into 2, that is 10. You have to write total how much coming. Then cumulative frequency how much coming? 20 coming. Therefore, median equal to how much? Median is equal to, that is even number coming. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, n 1 by 2, that is n by 2, th term plus 1 th term. Okay, therefore writing here 1 by 2, n by 2 is 10 term, 10 term plus 11 term. 11 term. Let's see how much coming. Writing here 1 by 2, 11 term will be, that is coming 3, that is 3 plus again 3, 6 by 2 is 3. The median coming 3. Okay, actually clear? But how to find out mean? Mean means you have to add total 24 plus 4, 28, 28 plus 4, 32, 32 plus 10. 42. Therefore, the mean will be here, writing here. The mean is equal to x bar. It is given summation Fi xi by total frequency. Summation Fi total how much will be? 42. 42 by total frequency coming 20. It will go by 2, 21 by 10, that is 2.1. 2.1 is the mean. Okay. In this way, question number 1 fully completed. Mean coming 2.1 and median coming 3. Question number 1 complete. Let us go question number 2. Just see how to solve question number 2. Question number 2. What is given here? Very fast. Question number 2. Question number 2 is giving the eighth term of an IP. Question number 2. Eighth term which is equal to a plus 7d, it is given 31. Equation of where a is the first term, a is the common difference. And 15th term is 11th term is equal to 16. 15th term formula is what? A plus 14d minus a plus 10d is equal to 16. A will be cancelled. 14 minus 10, that is 4d equal to 16. Therefore, d equal to 4. Okay? D equal to 4. Equation number 2. Now put the value of d in equation 1. What do we get from equation 1? From equation 1, a plus 7d equal to 31. D equal to how much? 4. Therefore, a plus 7, d means 4 equal to 31. A equal to how much? 31 minus 7 equal to 28. Therefore, a equal to 31 minus 24, 28, coming 3. A equal to 3. Therefore, a will here, a equal to 3, that is first term, a means what? First term. Okay? First term. And d means common difference. After finding this one, you have to find out first 3 terms. Okay? First 3 terms are one is a, next is a plus d, and next will be a plus 2d. A means how much? 4 plus 3, 7, then 8 what? 4 plus 8, that is 11. Sorry, 8 plus 3, 11. No, 10 coming. 10, sorry. A equal to 3. A equal to how many words? Not 4. A equal to 3. Here first one is A, 3. That is A equal to 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 3 plus 4 is equal to how much? That is 3 plus 4. Then here 3 plus 2 into 4. Okay? Coming how much? 3. This is 7. 8 plus 3, 11. Your first 3 terms are 3, 7. A means here first term, that is A, 3. A plus D, 3 plus 4, that is 7. 3 plus 2 into D means what? 2 for the 8, 8 plus 3, 11. In this way, question number 2 completed. I hope you are able to understand. Let us go question number 3. Very fast. Question number 3. For question number 3, it is given, solve the inequation. Inequation given like this. Number 3, inequation given minus 2 plus 10x less than equal to 13x plus 10 less than 24 plus 10x. You make it separate, like this. 13x plus 10, this one, greater than equal to 10x minus 2, 1 plus, again 13x plus 10 less than 24 plus 10. Let's make it separate like this. Bring 10x this side, 13x minus 10x is equal to greater than equal to minus 2, 10x that side, it will be minus 10. This is coming 3x greater than equal to minus 12. Now dividing 3, x greater than equal to how much? Minus 4. The value of x is greater than minus 4. Now this side you see 13x minus 10x. This one bringing this side less than 24. 10 taking that side minus 10. This is coming 3x less than 24 minus 10 is coming how much? 14. Now divide 3. This will be how much? 14 by 3. 14 by 3 means x less than 3 4 that 12. 4 2 by 3. 4 2 by 3. That means less than 4 2 by 3 greater than minus 4. The final answer will be how much? X. The x value will be less than 4 2 by 3 and greater than minus 4. If x belongs to integer, then answer will be like this. And x belongs to integer, it will be greater than minus 4 means minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 4 you have tried. This is the final answer. Okay. And you can represent also number line like this. This is the number line. This is 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to write board here. And this side is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. I have to write minus 3. This one. Just. Okay. Minus 3 to 4. This is the number line. You have to write in this form also. You have to write in this form also. Okay. This is called integration. You have to make it separate. This 13x plus 10 greater than equal to 10x minus 2. Again 13x plus 10 greater than equal to this one 24 plus 10x. You have to separate then you solve. Question number 3 complete. Today we have question number 4. That we complete question number 3. Next I will do question number 4. Question number 4. Just see what is given here. Question number 4 is given x minus 2 is a factor. X minus 2 and the factor of where I did not get here. Factor of that is 2x cube minus x square minus px minus 2. That x minus 2 is a factor of f of x. Therefore, f of 2 will be 0. That means 2 into 2 का cube minus 2 whole square minus p into 2 minus 2 equal to 0. This will be how much? 8 into the 16 minus 4 minus 2p minus 2 equal to 0. Now 16 minus 4 minus 2 that is minus 6 10. 10 is equal to 2p. Therefore p is equal to how much? P is equal to 5. P is equal to 5. After putting the value of p in this equation, you can find the other factor. How to find? Let's see. Let's see. After putting the p equal to 5 here, this is coming to x cube minus x square minus 5x minus 2. You have to divide by x minus 4. It will go by 2x square is coming 2x cube minus 4x square. The subtract minus plus cancel 4 minus 1 that is 3x square minus 5x minus 2. It will go by 3x plus 3x. That is 3x into x 3x square minus 6x. Again subtract minus plus cancel. It is coming x minus 2 which is go by 1 plus 1. Okay, x minus 2. Now cancel 0 coming. Again you have to factor this one by middle term. It will be 2x square plus 2x plus x plus 1. It will go by 2x x plus 1 then plus 1 x plus 1. Finally getting x plus 1 whole into 2x plus 1. The other two factors are x plus 1 and 2x plus 1 and one factor already given. This is one factor given. This one is given. Okay. And the other two factors are x plus 1 and 2x plus 1. In this way question number 4 completed. Last question today. Question number 5. Question number 5. Just to see what is given here. Question number 5. Question number 5 banking sum. In this banking sum, what is given? P means money deposited per month. It is given rupees 800. Rupees 800 maturity value given, total maturity value given 15,084 and time given 1 year 6 months, 1.5, which is equal to 18 months. Okay, next are you. Principal मतलब money deposited per month rupees 800, maturity value rupees 15,084, time 1 year 6 months मतलब 18 months. Okay, this is rough one. इंटरेस्ट का फॉर्मूला क्या है? P into m plus 1 by 2 into 12 into r by 100. Okay, r we are taking let r be the rate of interest. Okay, P is money deposited per month 800 into n equal to 18 months, 18 put into n plus 1, 18 plus 1 by 2 into 12 into r by 100. Now it should go by 4. Okay, पहले 2 से क्या काटो 400 हो गया, लेकिन इसको 4 से काटो 100 होगा, इसको 4 से काटो 3 होगा. Okay, then 100 कैंसिल हो गया, 3 6 18, 6 ले 18 plus 1 19, 6 into 19 114 r. Okay, this is the interest you are getting. Now maturity value formula is what? Interest plus P into n. Interest is 114 r. Maturity value given 15,084 plus P 1800 into n means 18 months. Multiply करो कितना है? 14,400. Okay, 14,400 को इधर भेज दो. माइनस आ जाएगा 114 r. Now इसको माइनस करो कितना आ रहा है? 684 divided by 114. इसको डिवाइड कितना आ रहा है?